So guys, let's have a more detailed look into this kit. Italeri 148 scale Cessna 172 Skyhawk. Check out the detail, the surface detail on the fuselage. They did a crazy job with the riveting. Check out all the rivets. They pretty much created all the rivets there is on this plane. Check out the detail on the wing, you guys. Rivets are very pronounced. If you wanna like more real look, maybe you will have to sand them down a little bit, but still you can enhance the rivets with maybe a dry brush or something. Some techniques are there. Okay. Detail, engine detail is pretty nicely done. There's your engine mount. There's your spinner, yokes, the seats, all pretty nicely done, guys. The windows, already assembled some stuff. Horizontal stabilizer, turned out good. The seats, you can see some flush, maybe some sanding will be required. Okay, but not too much, nothing critical. Check out the windows, pretty nice. So we continue to assemble this kit. Stay tuned, you guys. Thanks for watching.